We have to change and we have to improve public perceptions of each other. The perceptions of Pakistan in India are poor. Why do you perceive Pakistan to be poor? To be bad from all points of view. And I say this with authority of having interacted with many Indians who've come to Pakistan and when I go abroad. We see Pakistan bashing in political campaigns, in your political campaigns. And the maligning of our society in your media. It creates mass misperception of Pakistan in the public. Therefore, whenever Indians come to Pakistan, they get very pleasantly surprised when they see whatever we have in Pakistan and when they meet people. And many of them have told me that they thought things are this, and however, they see that it's very different. Talking very frankly of attitudes, I remember when Advani Saab came to Pakistan, and I think he praised or said some good words about Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And I remember the uproar here in India, and I think he was forced to resign, or he was forced to do something or the other. A friend of mine who comes here, he says he visits the bookstores, all bookstores. He says on Quaid-e-Azam, you will not find a positive book in the bookstores of India, or Delhi and other cities. The one that he saw was Jinnah, the man who broke India. What should Pakistan's attitude be towards Bangladesh, for that matter? We had a very violent separation. Should we live in our history? Hate each other? I think we've buried the past. In fact, when I went to Bangladesh many years back, and they took me to their monument of the 1971 monument, which was quite embarrassing for me. I wrote there that the courage needed to reconcile and compromise is far greater than that needed to confront and fight. I am prepared to show that courage. I hope there is reciprocation. I think we need to change this attitude of ours between our two countries, show that courage to reconcile and compromise. This hate campaign is to quite an extent one-sided. I don't see any India bashing or very little India bashing in Pakistan's political campaign. Because I believe we cannot, as I said, get closer and hope for peace if the people of the two countries hate each other, or there's a wide divide and there's a gulf between the people. As I said, we have to create positivity. And one hopes that all this August gathering, the civil society of India and Pakistan, and the media of India and Pakistan create this positivity so that the people start getting closer towards each other. Pakistan is also not a small country. And our armed forces are also not of any mean strength. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, India has to show magnanimity and humility. And I know that you will gain in stature when you show magnanimity and humility in your bigness.